Ayumbe Mulengoni wa United Opposition na Linda Mwananchi nimatula Muti Maminista Silikalini ya Kenya Kwanza mayasya methiitwe maitwaiisya Uteti vandu va Kutwaiisya uthukumi Kwa Mweenenthi. Ayumbe mayasya kuongeleka kwa maundu ma uteti kuma kwi maminista ni kuvalukitie uthukumi na kuwetekevuthya kwa mauvisi mo mayasya kikielite kuvika kana ki ni chailite kuvika muthia mwaka mweu oselela.
Atongoi asakwe kumangaliko ya Ulei nimatula Muti President William Ruto kwa kwenda kweke uthukumi wake na kumanengelelia amwe matongoi silikalini yake kuthukuma mauya make ta president. Atongoi amevo maseneta anyuve na ayumbe ni mawetaka na vandu va President William Ruto kuthukuma ethiitwe ayende na utula Muti President yuthumuye uya Uhuru Kenyatta vala mawetaka na kethi wako ina uvalugu silikalini ya Uhuru Ruto evinda niwe waimunini wa president.
When UDA attacks the previous administration, it is attacking a government in which William Ruto was the second highest ranking official. If there was a debt, William Ruto was there. If there was stalled projects, William Ruto was there. If there was corruption, William Ruto was there. If there was success, William Ruto was there. If there were failures, William Ruto was there. The questions Kenyans are now asking is simple. If President Uhuru Kenyatta retired in 2022, why is UDA still campaigning against him in 2026?
Stop pretending William Samoei Ruto was not deputy president for 10 years. Let us stop pretending today's challenges were created entirely by retired leaders. Let us stop pretending propaganda can reduce the price of unga. Let us stop pretending slogans can lower electricity bills. Let us stop pretending blame games are leadership.
Ayumbe ni mawetaka na itambia ya Maminista Silikalini ndanda ukwithi wa maitwaiisya Uteti ni uvathukanu na miao na kiu kiendea kuanzia mauthukumi mamivea kivathukanio ya silikali kwa enenthi.
Cabinet secretaries are state officers entrusted with the administration of government ministries on behalf of the people of Kenya. Their constitutional duty is to implement public policy professionally, impartially, and in accordance with the law. The growing spectacle of cabinet secretaries functioning as political campaigners risks blurring the distinction between the state and the ruling party.
Atongoi yani mathingilila kana silikali yailite kwatia mautwi ma koti na vala matula Muti President William Ruto kwa kwithi wate kwatia amwe ma mautwi ma koti.
Kenya's democratic future depends upon strong institutions, respect for the constitution, and unwavering commitment to the rule of law. These principles are not optional. They are constitutional obligations binding upon every holder of public office, including the president. It demands obedience to court orders, respect for constitutional freedoms, accountability in public office, and fidelity to democratic principles.
Mr. President, constitutional government is measured not merely by the policies it announces, but by its fidelity to the rule of law and its development track record. Increasingly, Kenyans are witnessing a troubling pattern in which court orders are treated as inconveniences rather than binding commands of the law.
Ilivyotia vilingia movoni toa mwaka mweu.